To the field of play now, St. Catherine High secured their third straight hold, that is, on the INSPORTS Challenge Cup football title on Monday, thrashing Tacius Golding 5-0 in the opening match of a doubleheader at the Jose Marti High School. Lennon Lawrence netted the opener for the St. John's Road School in the 19th minute. He returned in minute 48 to put his team 2-0 up. Maria Byfield scored the third in the 52nd. Nevauehn Morgan made it 4 for St. Catherine 4 minutes later, before Adrian Gayle completed the rout in minute 64. With the result, St. Catherine moved to 9 points.
It's a pre-season. We're just looking at some things, trying to put the team together and try to make sure that we keep much position so the players can understand how to control games.
And of course, in Catherine High, they're securing their third straight win of the competition. In the other game, Waterford secured their first win of the campaign after edging home team Jose Marti 2-1. It was Waterford who took the lead in minute 3 through Adrian Johnson. The two-team battled for the next 85 minutes before Jose Marti pulled level in the 88th, only to lose the game a minute later when Waterford found the winner, Deshaun Murchingston's 89th minute strike. The decider.
Well, I must say it's a great performance by the Waterford team today. This is our best game yet. I mean, we keep improving and getting these 3 points today. It's a good look for us. It's put us back in contention to advance to the second round.